Hello there everyone, guys, from bad to worse. So straight into the content. Janet Yellen actually is calling CEOs personally to warn on the US debt ceiling. This is absolutely monumental. And here is what she has said as well. You have to listen to this. Guys, if you appreciate these updates, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. So you're always notified when I make a new upload. And let's just listen into this because this is really crazy. Ready? Let's go.
Early June is when we project that we will run out of cash, and there is a chance it could be as early as June 1st. Of course, there is a lot of uncertainty, and I plan to update Congress as new information becomes available, but that's still our current thinking.
Are there extraordinary measures you can take around that time, or is that it?
Well, really, that's it.
Really, that's it. So what we can take away from this is that the US is on the brink of literal collapse. The only thing that they can do is raise the debt ceiling, and they have literally weeks left to decide and to do this. And certainly, most likely they will do this. But guys, what I want you to take away from this is the state of the current financial system. Without increasing the debt ceiling, without printing more money and diluting the current supply of the fiat, of the dollar, and making the buying power and reducing the buying power of me, you, and every other citizen out there of all the dollars and the fiat currencies that they hold. There's nothing else that they can do. Why? Because it's a corrupt garbage system. Finish. That's why Bitcoin has been created. This is the biggest advertisement. Look, there is nothing else they can do. Of course, because it's so limited. It's so outdated. Now, let's talk about, so this is very negative. We're going to move to the chart in just a second, talk about, because the chart isn't really looking that good, but I want you to see something in the chart as well. Now let's talk about some positiveness, because actually while there is a lot of bad stuff happening in the US, and that US potentially for the first time ever defaulting on their loans, on their debt, actually for Bitcoin, in my personal humble opinion, if all the times, and that's why, Balaji actually tweeted this, because he's betting that Bitcoin is going to $1 million per Bitcoin much faster than me and you were actually ever anticipating. I don't really think it's going to happen that fast, but these kinds of things make me think that Bitcoin will literally be at $1 million. A lot of people are saying, well, but the US is going to come out and ban Bitcoin. The thing is that US cannot really ban Bitcoin. I mean, they can ban it somehow a little bit here. It's going to cause some short-term volatility, but there will be other countries, including China, who actually, as opposed to US, is opening up to retailers and institutionals this summer in terms of trading. And Chinese people are sitting on $2.6 trillion worth of savings. I mean, just imagine the liquidity. And remember, Bitcoin follows global liquidity. Now let's talk about some positiveness, because in the US, it's all negative. It's like all FUD, SEC, this shit, that shit. But look at what is happening globally. And guys, before we continue quickly, I currently have 3 seats that opened up recently for my VIP mentorship. So if you want to become one of my VIP students, you get my access, you get my WhatsApp, we actually communicate together, and you learn everything from me in terms of trading, investing, all the things that I do, and like it even goes far beyond trading and investing. So you learn everything from how at the age of 28 years old, I manage 2 funds, a hedge fund, also a venture fund. I have so many different companies, and I make very good money. So if you are interested in this kind of VIP mentorship, then there is a link down in the description of this video to a landing page where you can actually set up a call with my team to discuss how it works, what benefit you get out of it, how long it is, how much it costs, because it's not cheap, but it is an absolutely amazing piece of education that is gonna save you at least 5 to 10 years of your life. If you want to get somewhere, this is the mentorship you go for. And we're going to be increasing the prices for it very soon, by the way. So if you're interested, hop on a call with my team right now. Link down in the description to schedule the free call with my team. So now let's discuss something that is very positive. And that is that Coinbase CEO actually touts UAE as very forward-thinking amid US crypto crackdown. So remember, Coinbase is just done. I mean, they just are tired of SEC, of this unclarity, and they're actually suing SEC. But in the meantime, they're actually moving potentially to Bermuda, so Bahamas, or UAE. And actually, they even posted about this on their Coinbase, on their website. So as the UAE, they said that recognizing the transformative potential of crypto economy. And it's a very long article with all the details. If you're interested, you can find it on Coinbase. But basically, they're applauding UAE with all the regulation, all the clarity they're coming out with in comparison to US. So this is a great example as to, even if US is going to keep doing this stuff that they're doing, it's all going to just move offshore. That's it. Nothing else. And the only loser in this whole battle is going to be US, because they're going to lose a multi-trillion taxable industry. That's it. Now the next thing, actually, look at this. Liechtenstein to allow payment for certain state services in Bitcoin. I mean, it's happening. Adoption is creeping in. So while we're paying attention to what is happening in US, these kinds of things, in my opinion, matter much more. Then if we're going to take a look at also the Bitcoin amount of supply that was last active 3 to 5 years, it's actually going up. Look, so it's actually not going down. So this just shows that the Bitcoin network is much stronger than we think. And I mean, the price of Bitcoin doesn't really currently resemble the development of its ecosystem. Look at Bitcoin number of non-zero addresses. So this just shows basically the adoption of Bitcoin and the amount of people using it. It's just going parabolic. It doesn't care at all. The only time when we had a big correction was right here in 2018 at the top of the bull market, the previous one. So since then, it's all just going up and up. The price doesn't really matter. It's short-term volatility, it's liquidity, etc. But what we should really care about is the health of the Bitcoin network itself, and it has never been healthier. So whenever I buy a Bitcoin, and a person saying what is happening right now in the United States with all this nonsense, buying Bitcoin is just becomes so easy. So easy. And guys, remember, if you want an exchange that you can trust, then you can use my exclusive link down in the description of this video to buy a bit and claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses, enter into a huge Audemars Piguet giveaway, also get really great trading education for free, and also all deposited users get access to my Crypto Signals community for absolutely free. And there is a link to it down in the description of this video as well. This is where I post all of my trades and the trades of my team. There's like 40,000 traders there. So buy a bet is really huge, and a place you can trust doesn't have any stupid FUD about it, and this is what I personally use. So anyway, now before we move to the chart, let's quickly talk about some really important reminders, because the chart, again guys, that video is not finished. Watch it till the end. Always watch my videos till the end. So quick few reminders. Tomorrow we're gonna see CPI, and CPI is very important for us in terms of inflation. And actually, look, the forecast is that inflation didn't move. So I already don't like this, because it just shows that the market is expecting stagflation and the inflation to just become very sticky. This is not good at all. If you're going to see the expectation for core CPI, then we're going to see that the forecast is 5.6 from previous of 5.6. So this is not good. I mean, it's going to show us that it's stuck in terms of core CPI. It's pretty much stuck at the same level the whole year. It just shows how sticky the inflation is. Guys, this is bad. This is very bad. So we're going to see what the reading comes out tomorrow. But this is bad. Also, PPI is coming out on after tomorrow. Forecast 2.4, very important. And then certainly the jobless claims about the unemployment is coming out on also after tomorrow. Forecast to be 245. We're going to see. So very important days. A lot of volatility could come from this. So please pay attention to this. And I'm going to keep you guys updated. So subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always notified when I make a new upload. And now about the technicals. And actually, we're correcting on this whole Binance FUD, but we got supported just again. This is absolutely beautiful. Those people who say the technical analysis doesn't work, they're not part of my VIP mentorship program. So again, if you want to learn how all of this works properly, technicals, fundamentals, macro analysis, on-chain analysis, all of it, statistics, trading algorithms, sign up for a call with my team right now and see how my team can actually help you. So, and here we have very important support, the one I told you about. And look, we got supported by it. Almost like spot on. So call me Mr. Spot on down in the comments right now. So certainly, it looks like we're saying, let's take a look quickly together at the volume. The volume still sucks. I just don't trust this volume, like at all. It's like so weak, so small, that it just tells me like maybe this is just a healthy correction in the up move, quite frankly. And we always, when we see some kind of parabolic run, there's always some corrections in between. But certainly, if we're going to be breaking 27,200, which we're still actually in this wedge, so we're actually still technically safe in terms of the up move. But if we're going to break down, then certainly close with some volume below this support, then all the way down to 25K will be open, and I will add to my long trade here and a little bit here, and then reevaluate what is happening next and where Bitcoin price is heading. So for now, we're still actually, even technically, we're still safe and sound. We might as well just bounce off of it and then come back again, just as a part of this whole pattern, but we'll see. So we're right now at a critical point. So guys, check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. Also sign up for the call with my team if you want to and go for a VIP mentorship with me, a very rigorous and detailed mentorship. Then again, sign up for a call with my team right now. And as always, peace and love, Thomas Krallo, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.